Hi, this is Nathalie from LineDotArrow from the Netherlands, and we are going to do the 5K LDA giveaway today. Yay! That's a lot of A's. I have several prizes. I have a handmade journal. I have a flip through on the channel, and I did a flip through in my update video too, sort of. Then there's this paper package with Dutch and some French and some German pages. I have this little buy me a coffee journal that I made. I have boho beads that I made, and I have grungy keys that was part of a challenge in February. No, I'm saying it wrong, in January. And I have a tab punch, and this is all going into this little package, and it's going to be shipped off to one of the winners in the drawing. The same with the journal, and besides the journal I also have received donations from lovely creators that also has YouTube channels and shops. And I received a donation from Cara Brenda from at Cara Brenda Creations. I received a $30 shop code for Two Sister Jam Etsy store, a $25 shop code for Haystack Crafty Corner. I received 5 digitals from Rachel Walters from Rach and Bella Crafts. Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts donated 3. I have Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors. She donated 5 kits. And then there's a lovely Tracy Fox from Fox Creative. She donated 5 digitals too. And I also have 2 sets of 3 digitals from LineDotArrow. And together that is going to make 25 prizes to give away. And it's a lot. And I'm going to use a tool that is on my YouTube studio that is allowing me to collect winners by using the hashtag. But what it does is it doesn't take out the name after it's been drawn. I first, because I have to say, this is I already did the drawing. I filmed the drawing because that was the most scary part for me to do. And this is the intro that I'm filming after I did the drawing, but you will see the intro first. And I realized the names popped up more than once, and they didn't enter twice, but the generator doesn't take out the names that are already picked. So I wanted to say sorry for that, because it seems like I said, well, you're entered twice. That's not how it works. But mostly I was in shock from how is this possible, because I'm used to work with the spinning wheel and then I take the names out. But this tool doesn't do that. But what I did, if somebody already had a prize, I I pressed the green button again, and then there was another winner. So I did solve it, but I wanted to explain that. So let's switch over to the laptop, and then we can do the drawing, and I will see you over there. So here we are. I entered the YouTube studio. I clicked on my video. It is this one, the LDA 5K giveaway. I typed in the comment that is needed to collect the right winners, because this was necessary to type in. And I'm going to pick winners by clicking on that green button. And I'm going to click 25 times. And I tested this with another video and it's going rather fast. So, but I do have to pause the video to write down the names, of course, otherwise I can't keep track. But if your name pops up twice, which should not be possible, but in case it does, of course, the second name will be not getting a prize. I will pick again. And I saw some comments from people with not having a name, well, they have a name, but like user, and something like at YouTube something, and numbers and underscores and whatever. But it's not a real name to me. I need real names. I'm going to write down that name that I see as a winner. But when you contact me, I need some proof that you are actually that person. So you have to tell me that that is your YouTube name. If you win, you have to contact me, and I would prefer contacting me via my Etsy store. If you click on the get in touch with seller button, you can find me. I will drop a link to my Etsy store down below. But please don't go off and contact all the people that donated prizes. First, I'm going to instruct them, and then I say, well, this is a winner and she or he won this or that, and then I will wait until the instructions. Maybe they say, well, let them contact me, because I don't know from everybody how they want it to be contacted. So please, please contact me first. Okay, here we go. Like I said, I'm going to pick a winner, and the first winner I'm going to pick is for the handmade journal that I made, the Shabby Journal. So here we go. And this is Anja Waals. It's Belgium or Netherlands, I'm not sure, but Anja, you won the journal. Congratulations, Anja. And now I'm going to pick again. I'm going to pick for the package, the paper package with the tool and the little journal and some boho beads. I'm not sure if you are seeing the whole image. I think this is better. I'm going to pick for the paper package from LineDotArrow with the tool and everything. And that is by Finds by Perio. So congratulations. I'm going to send you a paper package. So here is for the LineDotArrow digitals. You can win 3 if your name pops up. Dana, you won 3 digitals from LineDotArrow. And there is another digital from LineDotArrow for the second package, and that is for Gail Davis. So you will receive 3 digitals from LineDotArrow. And now we are going to pick a winner for the $30 American dollar shop code from Two Sister Jam. Here we go. And that is Paper Yuri Crafts. She won the gift code. So, and we also have a gift code donated by Haystack Crafty Corner, HCC as we call it, a $25 shop code. So the next winner will receive that one, and that is Diane. I don't know if it's called sick or, well, Diane. Let's say Diane. So you won the $25 code from Haystack Crafty Corner. And then the next winner will receive a digital from Cara Brandon, and she's from Cara Brandon Creations. I did a collaboration with her. We made the lavender and lace kit together. I think it was last year. Was it February, March? I'm not sure, but it was a year ago. So if your name pops up, you will receive 1 digital from Cara Brandon, and that is Cassia Crafts. And now we have digitals donated by Rachel from Rachel and Bella Crafts. I can spin 5 times because she donated 5 kits, so I'm going to, it's not spinning, but yeah, I keep saying that. So the next person's name that pops up wins a kit from Rachel and Bella, and that is the brown dragonfly. And I'm going to spin again for another kit from Rachel and Bella Crafts, and that is Bella Nicole Journal Co. And then we have another winner for a digital from not LineDotArrow, from Rachel and Bella Crafts, and that is Annalise Journaling. And then I have 2 more kits left from Rachel Miller Crafts. I'm going to spin for the next winner. It's not spinning. I don't know why I keep saying that. I'm so used to using the name picker wheel. But this is for a kit from Rachel from Rachel Miller Crafts. And the winner is Fit Kitty. The final kit from Rachel Miller Crafts is going to Chris Kim. Next spin is going to be for a kit from Non-Stop Papercrafts from Suzanne. Did a collaboration with her too. Well, actually, I did more than one. We just finished one in February. Okay, this is from Ina. I don't know why we have these pictures. This is me and I think this is her, but okay, we will see. I'm going to write down her name for a digital from Nonstop Papercrafts. This is so weird, seeing my face. And the next winner is also for a digital from okay, I see. A digital from Nonstop Papercrafts. It is not, they didn't enter twice, but it's not taking out the names. It's just picking the same names again. So I have to pick again for another kit from Nonstop Papercrafts because Joan is already on the, well, she won already something. Tanya Champs, she won a digital from Nonstop Papercrafts. And now I can pick the winner, the final winner for a digital from not LineDotArrow, from Nonstop Papercrafts. And that is a B Journal Creations. And if I'm correct, this is Bea de Gris. So she won a digital from Nonstop Papercrafts. And now we move over to the donations of Mandy from Sunflower and Doors. She donated 5 kits for my winner's drawing. So I'm going to pick 5 winners. The first one is Angela Baker. I'm going to copy her name to my list. And now I'm going to spin for another kit from Sunflower and Doors. And that is for Judy Newbert, if I'm pronouncing it the right way. I hope I do. And I'm going to spin for another kit from Sunflower and Doors. And that is my Crafty Obsessions 7. And now I'm going to spin another time for a digital from Mandy from Sunflower and Doors. And it is Vicky Coatney, if I'm pronouncing it the right way. And I have only 1 kit left to give away from Sunflower and Doors, so here we go. And that is Q-Limp. So yeah, that is the winner. And I have 5 prizes left, and that is Tracy Fox Digitals from Tracy Fox Creative. So I'm going to spin for one of those kits. And I have to pick another one again because she already won. Chrissy Taylor, you won a digital from Tracy Fox. And the second is going to Dee Sovel. Then I can give away a third kit. And that is for Michelle Schreiner. If I don't pronounce it the right way, I'm so sorry. And I can spin another time for a kit from Tracy Fox. Helen Minar. So she won a kit from Tracy too. Yeah, and this is the last winner I'm going to pick for another kit from Tracy Fox. And that is Misty Carr. Congratulations, Misty. So yes, let's switch over to the desk. So yeah, this was exciting to do for me too. I'm really, I almost forgot that it was today I had to do the drawing, because this morning I went out to my son's school because I was a guinea pig for an exam. Not for his exam, but for his co-student, and they switched. She brought her mom and he did test her eyes, and the other girl tested my eyes. So I was home very, very late, and then I realized, oh, it's today, I have to do the giveaway drawing. So And because I was so scared of doing the name drawing, I filmed that first. So I was sure I have everything correct. And I did. And if you won a prize, please contact me via my Etsy store. If you go to my Etsy store, there's a link tree in this video, and there is a link to my Etsy. And if you click on that, you have an option to contact seller. Please type in the channel name, the exact channel name you use first, and then tell me the prize you won. And then I can inform the donator. I'm not sure if that's the right word, but the person who donated the prizes, how they get in contact with you. So because I don't know from all the people, and I want to make sure it all goes well. And of course, I will tell them before I did the drawing. I tell them in a message, I did a drawing, and these people want something from you. And then I'm going to ask, how do you want them to get in touch? But for now, please do start with messaging me via Etsy, so I can tell you what to do. And of course, congratulations, everybody. And also a big, huge thank you to everyone who subscribed to my channel, read the comments. I read the comments on this giveaway video because you had to tell me why you watch my channel. And I have to say, I was deeply touched. And I also learned that apparently I do tell you in a good way how to do stuff. And I thought I didn't do that very well because, well, I usually don't plan ahead what I'm going to do. So it's difficult to have an actual plan. So this is what you need. This is what we're going to do. And all the steps, I just go and craft on the fly. So my videos are like this, I thought. Turns out it's not the case. So I'm so happy to read that. But of course, I will try to make my videos a little bit more clear in the future. Although I don't want to change too much about how I do my videos, because it's also who I am. But yeah, thank you again for all your comments, for all your likes, for subscribing. And I really enjoyed this huge giveaway. I kind of hoped, but yeah, it was not really something I could manage. But I kind of hoped I would have had 6K today. But yeah, I did not. I'm not far away, so I'm not complaining, but that would be awesome, wouldn't it? But yeah, I'm now moving towards 6K, and then we will see. Yeah, this is it for today. If you want a prize that I have to ship to you, like the journal or the package, I also need an address. And of course, you need to contact me. And also for the LineDotArrow prizes, you also need to contact me. So for all the prizes, contact me via my Etsy store with the button Contact Seller. This is really it. I'm going to stop this video. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Stay safe, stay creative, and I hope to see you the next time. Greetings from the Netherlands. Bye bye. Bye.